Hello students and welcome to your channel. So today we are going to discuss about similarity part 3. In part 1 and part 2 video we have already studied conditions of similarity and basic proportionality theorem and the questions related to these two concepts. In this video we are going to discuss about the concept that is relation between areas of two triangles. See, we have theorem related to this concept and the concept says the areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the square of their corresponding sides. Now see, I'll draw two triangles over here. I've drawn triangles. This is A, B, C and this triangle is D, E, F. Since it is given in our question, what is given to us, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. And if triangles are similar, so we can write such that angle A equals angle D, angle B equals angle C, angle C equals angle F. And also we can write the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal because the triangles are similar. This concept we have seen in part 1 video. So AB by DE equals BC by EF and this is equals to AC by DF. Now what we have to prove in this theorem is we have to prove if two triangles are similar, then the areas of two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equals the square to the square of their corresponding sides, proportional. So AB by DE whole square equals BC by EF whole square and this is equals to AC by DF whole square. So to prove this we need to draw some construction. So we'll draw a construction over here. We'll construct here. What we'll construct? We'll draw a perpendicular line, that is AM, which is perpendicular to BC, and we'll draw DN, which is perpendicular to EF. So what we'll do? Draw AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to EF. Proof. In proof part, now we have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to this. So now what we'll do? We know area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. What we can write? Area of triangle ABC, half base into height we can write. So I can write it over here, half BC into AM by half. Similarly for this triangle I can write half EF into DN. This half and half got cancelled, so we'll get BC by EF into AM by DN. This is equation number 1. Now what we'll do? We'll prove these two triangles similar क्योंकि हमको ये ratios equal बताने हैं. Then only I can get BC square upon EF square. So in triangle ABM and triangle DEF, angle B is equals to angle E. Why? Because triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and also angle AMB is equals to DNE. Why? Because AM is perpendicular to BC and DN is perpendicular to EF. So by AA similarity, triangle ABM becomes similar to triangle DEF. And if triangles are similar, so we can write AB by DE. This AB by DE will be equal to AM by DN. And we know AB by DE is equals to what? BC by EF. So this will be also equal, and this will be equal to AC by DF. So in place of AM by DN, we can write BC by EF. So putting AM by DN equal BC by EF in equation number 1, we get what we get? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal BC by EF whole square, and this is equals to what? AB by DE. So we can write AB by DE whole square, and this is equals to AC by DF. We can write that also, and this is equals to AM by DN. So we have come to one more conclusion, that is, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the corresponding sides. Ratio of the square of the corresponding sides, and also ratio of the square of the corresponding altitude, if altitude is drawn. Now in similar manner, if a median is drawn over here in place of altitude, so same concept we can apply. We'll do area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to what? Ratio of the square of the corresponding medians. What we have studied if this is a triangle, these are two triangles, the first concept ABC and DEF. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, so we can write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equals to what? AB by DE whole square equals BC by EF whole square equals AC by DF whole square. Second concept which we can derive from this only, what is that? See, this is ABC triangle and this is the median over here. DE is median, and if this is a median, so BD is equals to what? DC. So we should know median divides triangles into two triangles of equal areas. So this is the second concept which we are studying in this video, that is median divides the triangles into two triangles of equal areas. Thus, we can say area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ADC, or we can also say area of triangle ABD is half area of triangle ABC. So this is the second concept. Third concept, if we are having a triangle A, B, C, and if two or many triangles, like this is having a same vertex A. So we are having two triangles over here. One is ABD and other one is ACD. We are having two triangles. If we'll compare the areas of these two triangles, because they are having same vertex, a common vertex. So if two or many triangles which have same vertex and common, and the base lies on the same straight line, like ABD का base कहाँ lie कर रहा है? BD में, and जो ADC है इसका base कहाँ lie कर रहा है? CD में. So this is a common straight line for both of them. So in this we can write area of triangle ABD by area of triangle ACD equals BD by CD. But if area of triangle ABD I take and upon area of triangle ABC I take, because full triangle I am taking, the vertex is same and the bases are lying in the same straight line. So ABD का it will be BD जो base रहेगा, and ABC का base क्या है? BC. So these are the three major concepts which we have to study and which we have to apply in the following questions. So now moving on to the question part. So the question is, in figure DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove ADE is similar to ABC. Second, AD is given half of BD. That means AD upon BD का ratio दिया गया है 1/2. We have to calculate DE if BC is equals to 4.5. Now then we have to find out area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADE upon area of trapezium BCED. So first of all, the very first part which we have to prove is ADE and ABC is similar. So we'll write it over here in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Since these two lines are parallel, so this angle and this angle will be equal, that is angle 1 is equals to angle 2 corresponding angles and angle 3 is equals to angle 4 corresponding angles. तो ADE का angle 1 and ABC का angle 2 are equal. So we can write it over here, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Why? Because DE is parallel to BC through corresponding angles. Angle 3 is angle 4. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Again, why? DE is parallel to BC. So by AA similarity, triangle ADE will be similar to what? Triangle ABC. ADE, छोटा triangle, is similar to the big triangle. So accordingly, we can write small triangle का side is what? AD. AD by and big triangle का side is what? AB. So AD by AB will be equal to what? DE by BC. We can write. Now we are provided with, since we know, this is equation number 1. We know that is AD by BD is what? Half. So in place of BD, I can write what? Because I want AD by AB. I don't want BD over here. So I have to neglect this BD. So how come I can neglect it? I want to cancel it out. So in place of BD, I can write what? AB minus AD. So we'll be writing that. I'll get AD upon, I'll be writing it over here. So we'll get AD by AB minus AD. AB minus AD is what? BD only. This will be 1/2. Cross multiply कर लेंगे. I'll get 2AD equal to AB minus, sorry, it's AB minus AD. Thus 3AD. This AD will shift to this side. 3AD is equals to AB. So AD upon AB is what? 1/3. So putting this value in equation 1, this, so we'll get what? DE by BC is equals to 1/3. Now in question we have to calculate DE if BC is what? 4.5. So DE will be DE upon 4.5 equals 1/3. Thus DE is equals to 4.5/3. So DE will be 1.5. So this is how we have got the value of DE. Now what we have to prove? We have to find area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BC. Since triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, so we can write area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC equals to what? Square of the corresponding sides, that is AD by AB square, AD by AB whole square. So AD by AB is 1/3. So I can write 1/3 whole square and this will be 1/9. So we have calculated area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC is what? 1/9. Now I have to find ADE upon trapezium. So in place of ABC, in area of triangle ABC, I can write ADE plus BCED. So I'll be writing that thing. This implies that I'll be writing it over here. This implies that area of triangle ADE by, in place of ABC, I'll write triangle ADE plus area of trapezium BCED, and this is equals to what? 1 by 9. So multiplying, I'll get 9 times of area of triangle ADE equals area of triangle ADE plus area of trapezium BCED. Shifting this ADE triangle to this side, so 9 minus 1, I'll get 8. 8 times of area of triangle ADE is equals to area of trapezium BCED. Thus, area of triangle ADE by area of trapezium BCED, I got what? 1 by 8. So this is how whatever concept we have studied, we have to apply these concepts in the questions. Now we'll move on to the next question. So now the question is, in figure PB and QA are perpendicular. So this is what? PB, and this is QA, are perpendicular to the line segment AB. If PO, this is PO is 6 centimeter and QO is 9 centimeter, area of triangle POB is 120 centimeter square, find area of triangle QOA. So the question is very easy. We can easily see from the question that अगर हम इन दोनों triangles को similar prove कर देते हैं, so we can use the theorem which I have explained. Area of triangle POB upon area of triangle QA is equals to PO upon QO का whole square. So first of all, we'll prove that these two triangles are similar. So in triangle POB and triangle QOA. So here angle A is equals to angle B, 90 degree each, and angle QOA equals angle POB, vertically opposite angle. By AA similarity, triangle POB is similar to what? Triangle QOA. देखिए P is corresponding to Q, O is corresponding to O, and B is corresponding to A. Same sequence we have to follow. Now, if triangles are similar, so we can write according to area of triangle theorem. We have to write statement also. We can write area of triangle POB by area of triangle QOA equals PO upon QO whole square. So area of triangle POB is given 120 by area of triangle QOA equals PO is what? 6 by 9 square. Thus area of triangle QOA will be 120 into 81 by 36. So 12 tens are 12 threes are 3 ones are 327. So area of triangle QOA is equals to what? 270 centimeter square. So if in question they haven't mentioned that the triangles are similar, so we have to prove it that the triangles are similar. So the concept is only one, that if triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. Now we'll see the next question. The question is, DE is parallel to BC of triangle ABC and AD is to DB is given, that is 5:3. we have to calculate AD upon AB, and then we have to calculate DE by BC. One more thing we have to find, that is area of triangle DEF by area of triangle DEC. So what we'll do in this question, since it is given these two lines are parallel, so we can prove that ADE is similar to what? ABC. We can prove this thing. So since DE is parallel to BC, this implies that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Why? I'll be writing two conditions over here. First, angle ADE is equals to angle ABC, corresponding angles, and second, angle AED is equals to angle ACB. Again, why? Corresponding angles. So triangles are similar. Now if triangles are similar, so we know AD upon AB will be equal to what? DE by BC. AD by AB, DE by BC, because we have proved this small triangle is similar to this big triangle ABC. Now they have given us in question that AD by DB is what? 5 by 3. So in place of DB we can write what? AB minus AD. So I'll write it over here, AB minus AD, and we will then do cross multiply. So we'll get 3AD equals 5AB minus 5AD. So shifting 5AD to this side, we'll get 8AD equals 5AB. Thus AD by AB will be equal to what? 5 by 8. And if AD by AB is 5 by 8, so obviously this is only equal to what? DE by BC. Thus we have got AD by AB and then DE by BC, that is 5 by 8. Now coming on to the second part, that is triangle DEF. DEF upon area of triangle DEC. We can see over here E is the common vertex and DF and DC are lying on the same straight line. So we have again will use a theorem over here, I mean the concept which we have studied before only, that is area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle DEC will be equal to what? DF by DC. Now we don't know what is DF by DC. So we have to calculate that DF upon DC. So how we'll calculate? We'll prove these two triangles similar, क्योंकि देखिए DF upon FC यहाँ पर आएंगे and DF plus FC अगर हम करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा DC. तो हम इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स को क्या कर देंगे? सिमिलर. सो इन ट्राइंगल DEF and BCF, we can prove this is equal to this vertically opposite and this angle to be equal. So angle 1 is equals to angle 2 and ये भी कर सकते हैं 3 is equals to 4. So if triangles are similar, so triangle DEF is similar to triangle BCF. Why? We'll write it over here by AA similarity. Here also we have to write the reason which I told you, that if two triangles lie on a common vertex and the bases lie on the same straight line, then the areas of two triangles is equals to the ratio of the corresponding bases. Now these two triangles are similar, so we'll prove it over here. DF by FC is equals to what? DE by BC. DE by BC we already know, that is 5 by 8. In place of FC we want DC now. So in place of FC we'll write DC minus DF. Thus we'll get 8 DF equal 5 times of DC minus 5 times of DF. Shifting 5 times of DF to this side, we'll get 13 DF equal 5 DC. Thus DF by DC is equals to what? 5 by 13. So we know what we know. We have proved before only. Area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle DEC is equals to what? DF by DC. So we'll write it over here, that is 5 by 13. Hence we have solved. This is answer. So now the question is, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, AB is 12 and AC is 15. D and E are the points on AB and AC respectively, such that angle AED is 90 degree, DE is 3 centimeter. Calculate area of triangle ABC and then area of triangle ADE. So what is given in the question? Triangle ABC. We'll draw triangle ABC. Angle B is what? 90 degree. AB is given, that is 12 centimeter. AC is given, that is 15. So first of all we'll calculate this BC. How can we calculate? By Pythagoras. We'll calculate BC. We'll use Pythagoras theorem. AC square equal AB square plus BC square. Thus 15 square equal 12 square plus BC square. So BC square will be 15 ka square is 225 minus 144. BC square will be what? 81. So value of BC is what? 9. So we'll write down 9. Now we can easily calculate area of triangle ABC. Right triangle है half base into height, BC into AB. So we'll get half 9 into 12. 2 6 we'll get what? 54 centimeter square. So we have calculated our first part. Now what they have given? D and E are the points on AB. AB में point है D and AC में point है क्या? E. Such that ये AED is what? 90 degree. तो what we'll do? ADE and ABC similar कर देंगे. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, हम इन दोनों triangles को similar कर सकते हैं. So what we can write? See, ADE and ABC नहीं होगा. Why? Sequence match करना है. It will be ACB because E is corresponding to B. Now angle A is angle A common. Angle AED is equals to angle ABC. Why? 90 degree each. So by AA similarity, triangle AD is similar to triangle ACB. So we can write area of triangle ADE. If triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the corresponding sides. So we know what is DE over here, that is 3. So we can write ADE में DE and for ABC we'll write what? BC. DE by BC square, that is 3 by 9 square. So 1, 3 into 1, 3, 3 3s are 9. ADE, area of triangle ADE we have to calculate, and we have already calculated ACB area, that is 54. This will be 1 by 9. So area of triangle ADE is what? 6 centimeter square. So this is how whatever is being asked in the questions related to areas, we have to apply this concept. Hope you guys are finding my videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe your channel. Thank you.